In this session, I want to create this sketch using the required drawing tools. So I'm just going to create it on the front plane. Right click front plane, and this part on this side of the sketch is symmetrical, so I'm going to just create that side and then mirror it about the horizontal axis. So I'm going to start with a center line, then create a center point arc. So that's center point arc. Then straight line, sideways, up, this way, this one to coincide with that center line, the center of this arc to coincide with the center line. Right. Before dimensioning, I'm going to then so I'm going to create these two circles there. One circle here. Because it's just two circles, I don't really need to use patterns yet. So, and these two circles, I'm going to make them equal. So click the first circle, press Ctrl, hold, and click the second circle, and then you see the geometric relations here. Make equal. And the two circles, their dimensions is 10, diameter 10, and the distance of this one from this end is 10. The distance of the second one from that end is 30. And the distance of both of them from this end, from this side, is 10. Of course, I don't need to redimension this. I will just click the center of this one, and then click the center of the second one, and then make them horizontal. Yeah. Now before I mirror and continue with the dimensioning, I'm going to also dimension this place so that it looks better. 20. Yeah. And then I'm going to just mirror this. So from sketch tab there, mirror entities. The entities to mirror, I'm going to use window selection to select all those, then mirror about the center. So you have them there. Now I'm going to, after that, I'm going to continue with my dimensions. So here, that is, this length is 80 millimeters. From this center to this end is 80 millimeters. And the circle here, so because I use an arc, so I'm going to use radius instead. Diameter 20, radius 10. And also the center here to this place is 20. The distance of this is 40. Yeah. And this length is 60. Yeah. So because I used mirror, I didn't have to repeat some dimensions. Yeah. Then the circle here, I'll create the circle there, and the center here. The diameter is 12. Yeah. The dimension is now complete, so I didn't have to repeat this dimension on this side. So once it is done there, there's no need to repeat them. Yeah, that's all the dimensions and the geometric relations established. Yeah, and that completes this sketch. So tick to come out of the sketch mode. Yeah. And that's the end of this session.